Hello friends, welcome to another episode. In life, everybody, irrespective of any age, let it be 5 years, even to 50 years or even 80 years, everybody has one each desires and goals. Like one will say, sir, I did lot of money, sir, tons and tons of money, like Bill Gates, or it can be anybody. Sometimes people say, no, I wanted to live like in a palace, sir. I have to be like this. Or somebody will say, sir, I'm in very bad debt, sir. I want to come out of the debts. Somebody say, no, just not that. I want to have an excellent body like Salman Khan. Somebody will say, no, I only need to have a zero size kind of a waist. So all this, we have lot of things. What is the magic for it? Very simple magic. So tell me one magic. I would always say only one thing. If you want to do this magic, sharpen this, not that skill, this muscle. If you train this muscle, 100% anything in life is achievable. What is that one muscle called? It's called the willpower. Very simple. If you have the control of this willpower, if you try to sharpen yourself, if you try to concentrate yourself, if you try to get focused on this self, everything is achievable in this world. Be very clear. I see, you don't have to be from aristocratic family. No, because of this family only I'm like this. No, because of this place only, because of this religion only, because of nothing like that. So it's not all about willpower. So what is willpower? You tell me first. Let us simplify this willpower. If you say willpower, it is nothing but some repetition of words, repetition of something saying to yourself. In the next level of thing, we may think that it is another kind of meditation. Why people do for meditation? Why sage and everybody? Forget about just say. Sage is all like age old. Today everybody pray. What is it, sir? What is prayer? First forget about this thing. Let's just go a little bit in depth on this thing. What is prayer, sir? Prayer is nothing but you are calling the Almighty, you are calling the Creator and asking that this I want it, sir. Whatever you are asking, I need money, house, car, everything. I need all these things. You are talking to God. If somebody wants to talk to God, go to prayer. Simple. So, prayer. So, coming back to one step, and the extension of one step of prayer, what is it? It's called meditation. So, meditation is also called as prayer, somebody. Meditation, what is meditation? You're trying to repeat yourself. I am most successful, I have to be successful, I have to be healthy, I have to be debt free, I have to be disease free, I have to be most happiest person. This all, everything comes as a meditation. Meditation is nothing but getting focus. Focus is nothing but willpower. Willpower, it's not here. You cannot go buy in a shop, sir, I need 2 kg of willpower. No. It is all in your brain. If you start focusing here, all your life get focused. Sir, I have a camera, sir. If I have to focus means you have to be very clear where you are focusing. If I saw like this, no, I will just take everything. I need to have a mountain behind the trees, behind sea, behind. Nothing doing. When a small thing can be like this, if we have to take lead our life, we have to be very clear. This I am very clear. One who is very clear will always be the most successful person in life. So once you want to be very clear, you have to be very clear what is your willpower. How do I sharpen it? How much sharpen it? Okay, the next question you ask me, okay, how many times do I have to think about it? Sir, every time, sir. Do you forget about your breathing? Tell me. Sir, I cannot hold my breath. Hold the breath for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes can be recorded. But beyond this, same thing. So, but we try to do in a form that is called yoga. That is called prayer. Whatever. But the thing is that you have to get focused. Getting focused, getting narrow to your goal. That is called willpower. So let us just don't get a wavering mind. Get focused. Try to get a hold of your willpower. Try to know what is willpower. Let's just get concentrate whatever it is. Let be very clear. When you are getting clear, your willpower get clear and you get shined on it. You will start repeating the same thing like a bodybuilder, like somebody going for a sport, somebody trying to clear exams. So let us be very clear. Let our life make a lot of sense. Okay. Till then, I'll see another episode. Thank you.